Hi vetmates, this is Joseph Cyrus S. Masculino, and this is Vet Pharma 311. I will discuss a topic that is under pharmacodynamics. CAMP, IP3, or DOG is called a second messenger. The CAMP activates an inactive protein kinase. The active protein kinase activates the inactive lipase and phosphorylase kinase and inactivates the glycogen synthetase. The inositol triphosphate and diacylglycerol are both second messengers. The inositol triphosphate controls the release of calcium ions from the intracellular sites. The diacylglycerol, on the other hand, activates a protein kinase C, which catalyzes phosphorylation of intracellular proteins and subsequent cellular effects.